In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to rate of change. So if we have a problem like this that says the graph shows the number of cookies baked related to the number of hours spent baking, what is the rate of change? So what this tells us here is that the number, if you have more hours baked, the more cookies you bake, right? So total number of cookies baked, okay? So you could see it's an increasing relationship here with the hours baked and the number of cookies baked, which makes sense, right? So first step, there's a few steps, so make sure you stick around to listen to them all. So step one, rate of change is the same as slope. Okay, slope, the slope of this line. How is it sloping? So slope is calculated as the change in y over the change in x. So let's go through that in detail. So you would pick 2 points on the graph that are easy to read. Okay, you want to pick something that's like in between here because you don't exactly know what that number is precisely, so it would be harder to calculate. So let's pick these 2 points that actually cross right at the intersection of, of two lines, right? Those are the easiest to read. So point 1 is the x is 3 and the y is 40. So 3 comma 40. Point 2 is the x is 6 and the y is 60. So 6 comma 60. Okay? Now the slope is the change in y over the change in x is what we said, right? So what does that mean? The change means subtraction. So we're going to subtract y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So you might be thinking, what does that mean? Well, let's put x1, y1 here for point 1. This is the x for 1. This is the y for point 1. This is the x for point 2. This is the y for point 2. Now we just plug in the numbers, right? So y2 minus y1. So 60 minus 40. And then for the x's, it's 6 minus 3, which is what we have here. And then you just do the arithmetic on that. So the rate of change equals slope, which equals 20 over 3 after we calculate this. And we could put 20 over 3 as a mixed number. 3 fits into 20 6 times with a remainder of 2. So 6 and 2/3. 20 over 3 equals 6 and 2/3. So that's the rate of change for how many cookies are made with the amount of time spent making them. So that's all there is to that problem, and don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, you could take a look at the description. In there, there's links to other videos of mine that I've done that are like this, that are similar. As well, take a look at the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link to this exact video. It'll take you right here, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.